Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got another custom pit rolling out in Knoxville today. This is going to man Austin. Now, this isn't Austin's first TMG pit. All right, he actually had a Copperhead 52, got from us a couple years back. Loved it, but it just wasn't quite enough for it. So he called us up, said, hey guys, I want something custom. So we got him a badass rig here. This is a Copperhead 60 XL, so that's 30 inches deep on a single axle trailer, guys. Y'all know the deal. All of our trailers we build in-house. We design around your setup. So this is a little more narrow trailer, a little sleeker. Still got some storage up front, got storage in the tongue as well. Of course, spare tire on there. Full tube steel frame, sandblasted, painted gloss black, all LED lights. Y'all know the deal. But we got something special on this Copperhead 62, right? Not just any old normal Copperhead here. He has added the Santa Maria grill inside of the pit here, guys. So we got the crank on the side here. Raise up the grate. Now we've got an angle iron grate in here. We also have a wire mesh grate. So whether you're grilling, you can use this one, or if you prefer the wire mesh when you're smoking, you can use that one as well. Building some really nice charcoal pans down the bottom of this thing, 1/4 inch plate. So set your charcoal wood in there while you're grilling. Still got your sliding top rack. Comes out. Fire poker in there, of course. Now you can see it is a double door. So we got 2 small doors on this side. On the back side is 1 big single door. For the Santa Maria grill, you got to have it open on both sides. Close that back down. Of course, we got TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, 1 in each door. We did do a stainless steel fender cap here on both sides. Open up the hot box here. Now on the Copperhead XL series, you get a huge hot box, folks. I'll tell you what, this thing is massive. You got 6 trays in here. I mean, hey, that's about a Copperhead 52. That's about your whole smoke right here. You know what I'm saying? The bottom plate in here is still the same setup. This will run independent from the main chamber. So you can get it hotter or cooler depending on what you're cooking. It's a very versatile option to add there, guys. Come around to the firebox here. Now this is our insulated firebox. So we got 1 inch insulation all the way around. We do a 3/8 thick front door on it. Got the fire management cradle in there as well. You walk around on the other side and we'll see this big door back here. You see how I was saying we got 1 big door here. So you got full access on this side. Spare tire up there, like I said. So hey guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.